Hello, in this chapter, now that we have X installed, we are going to install a component that allows us to create a smart alarm system using various SONOFF sensors. So in this project, we will use door sensors and motion sensors to trigger a siren or notify user. Alarmo will let us manage the alarm by arming and disarming in different modes and even set a password. First, let's start by installing Alarmo. For that, open X and search for Alarmo. Then just click Download and the component will be installed. Once the installation is completed, restart your Home Assistant.